So today I'm going to show you how to install this. It's a whiteboard. Basically all the tools I needed were a power drill, a 5/16 drill bit, a Phillips screwdriver, a hammer, and a level. So find level, just going to mark this.
And it's level straight across.
Close enough. But I can't do that right this second. So now we have our 4 marks. Before you drill some holes, put something underneath you so you don't make a huge mess. So the way I figure out what size bit I need is put the bit and the screw on top of each other. If the screw hides the bit, then it's the right size. Basically, you just want to take out what will be taken up by the shaft. This just keeps things from splitting. About 3/16 or 5mm is roughly appropriate if it's just going into wood, but we're not going to hit wood. So we're going to need the anchors. If you're not using screws directly in the wood and you need the anchors, basically you need the pilot hole big enough that the anchor can actually get sunk in. So for the anchor, it's about 5/16. So we know that this has no wood behind it, so I'm just going to put the anchor in. Whenever you're drilling in, just remember that there could be electrical or plumbing or sewers behind the walls. So only go as far as you need to. Drywall is probably about 1/2 inch thick. You just want to go through. We're going to tap these anchors in just till they're flush. There you go. So we're just going to tap the rest of the anchors in. So just tapping the 4 anchors in. Just till they're flush. Don't need to hit them that hard. Just a light tap. Now we just need to put the 4 screws in. It's a good idea if you can have a second person to help you, that's great. So I'm putting these in kind of loose. Just want to make sure everything lines up. Make any adjustments if I need to. So they also give you this tray. If you want to attach that, it's a good idea to do that before you tighten everything down so that it can fit behind the board. It just snaps in place. And we'll tighten it the rest of the way. It's good. You can take the plastic off. The last little bit, basically we have caps. You just put these caps on, snap into place. That just hides the screws. And you get your erasers, whatever markers you have, sit up here. Alright, well thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.